Hello guys. Oh. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Another vlog. So yes, film na naman tayo. Wait lang. Sorry guys, a little. But yeah. So today is uh June 17 and time check is 5:42. And yeah. So pangatlong araw. So yeah. Right now, like what I said before, hindi ako masyadong makaka-video sa room. Cause hindi kami pwede, di ba? Pero I'll try my best to film a vlog pag recess and pag uwian. Hindi ko na siya kalimutan, promise. But yeah. So, nothing else to say naman kasi I'll do the same thing like I always do since nung first vlog and second vlog. So, transition naman ba to? Siguro yung basic na lang kasi yun lang yung kaya ko ngayon. But okay. Oh, that one's a good one, I think. That one's a good one, right? But whatever, I'm back again. So right now, I'm just gonna do again what I always do. I would do a skin prep and simple makeup. And then after this, we're gonna go to school. School. You're gonna go to school with me. I'm literally gonna film pag nandun na ako sa school. Pag magpapasok pa lang. Cause, okay. Basta yun. So, right now, I'm gonna start off with... Wait, I need, kasi hindi maririnig voice ko, but... I don't know if maririnig pa rin siya if ginanto, but... Okay. So, first off, what I always use is this toner. So, yeah. You can find this actually. I forgot to tell you where I bought this. This is not a sponsor, by the way, okay? But, yeah, I bought this in Watsons. It's like, I forgot what price. Basta malalaman nyo na lang pag binili nyo na. Okay, so I'm gonna use it now. Like, look at that. I only just gonna use it 2 times because ganon yung pagkasabi dito. We're just gonna gently pat it. Even on my neck. Okay, next is I have to set this, like I have to basta may tawag din doon. Oh wait, I forgot to close it. Okay. Oh. I'm gonna use this story then. I bought this TikTok. I'm not gonna gatekeep anymore, but I bought this sa TikTok. It's like dalawa kasi to eh. Like yung isa, hindi ko man siya ginagamit. Pero gagamitin ko yun pag naubos na to. This one is a solid in lip essence. Like what I said nung one time, binili ko to dahil sa Cortez. Like, Bruh. Para hydrated siya habang inano ko. Wait lang, taasin ko to para marinig masyado boses ko. Kasi di ko alam kung naririnig ako eh. Naririnig ba? Okay, di ko naman alam. And next, as I'm gonna use Silitech. This one, di ko alam kung saan ko na ito nabili. Nakalimutan ko na. But yeah. Oh, inahulog. Ito, Itsy Bitsy. Itsy Bitsy, parang ganito lang yung amount na ginagamit ko kasi super white naman siya unti. Kaya unti-unti lang ako maglagay. Or mga medyo. This is a, ano siya, UVA, UVB blue light, and pollution protector. Triple hydrating moisturizer, zero white cast. Aw, may lamok. Kinagat ako ng lamok konti. Okay. Next is I'm gonna use a Dr. Leo 2-in-1 Multi-Effect Isolation Cream. This one. But yeah. Because you need that makeup to stay. Kahit minsan hindi na siya nagsistay talaga. Parang mga ilang oras lang siya nagstay. Tapos wala na. Kasi ako, yung ano ko, makeup spray nasa San Manuel, which is far from my home, far from the place I am now. I mean the home I am in, whatever. Basta malayo siya. Malayo yun. Like, so far. Nasa sister ko kasi. Doon siya sa San Manuel. So, nasa kanya yung makeup spray ko. Kasi pinahiram ko one time. And then, I'm gonna use a tinted sunscreen. This is Bello Sun Expert. Ano na to siya? SPF 50 PA++++. Ano na to siya? Tone Adapt Technology. Tapos may UVA and or UVB protection na rin siya. Ito, sa Robinson. May price pa siya. Pero di ko alam kung makita niyo na maayos. Basta may price yan. Iyan ko na lang dito sa video. Pero parang ngayon tumaas yung presyo nito eh. Like sa malls. As in, tumaas siya. Kasi nung one time, pumunta ako ng Robinson. Diba nagpunta kami doon sa parang malapit-lapit kasi yun sa like mga bilhan ng damit, bilhan ng hair accessories, kineme-keme. Nakita ko yung ganto doon. Tapos, nakita ko yung price. Ang mahal niya na. I don't know why, but yeah. And then concealer. My favorite. Wait lang. Ang ganda ng concealer na to kasi grabe yung niya. Like, it's so good. Oh my gosh, may eyelash ako. Bro. Di ko alam kung nakikita niyo, pero it's my, galing siya sa eyelash ko. Kawawa. Kasi if you remember what happened to me last time, don't remind that anymore. I mean, ayoko nang maalala yun. As in, legit. Ayoko nang maalala yun. Ang lala nun, boy. Ay, may isa na naman. Oh my gosh, may acne ako. Acne yata yun na dun, no? Ay, hindi. Ano lang pala yun. Or maybe, I don't know. Hindi ko iniano kasi lagyan ko ng pimple patch mamaya. And then, ito palang Into It na to, binili lang to siya sa Watsons. I forgot what price, pero pakita ko na lang dito. Di ko masabi yung price. Isa-search ko pa mamaya, pero ilalagay ko siya dito sa video kasama yung name ng product. Kasi maganda talaga to siya. Kasi share ko lang, one time, yung pumunta kami ng kaibigan ko doon sa Watsons. Diba nagatingin-tingin kami? One time, I was all hoping na makakita ko ng concealer. Kasi, gustong-gusto ko na talaga bumili ng concealer. Kasi buong high school ko, wala akong concealer. Kaya yung makeup ko, ganon. Like yung face ko. Kasi dati, gamit ko is, parang ano lang, like, sunscreen, powder, tapos lip tint, yun lang. Pero grade 8 yung bumago ng lahat. Kasi maraming, ay hindi. Ay, oo, grade 8. Grade 8 ako nagkaroon ng, ng favorite. Parang nagustuhan ko ang pag-makeup. Double check kung may naiwan. Kasi yung concealer talaga, nag-ano siya eh. Nag-hide ng, Ito talaga maganda to siya, guys. Recommend ko to sa beginners, especially kung sino man gusto na mag-start ng makeup. Maganda to siya. Kasi, if nagbili kayo nito, makikita lang din to sa Watsons. Maybe, if meron doon. Or if may mga malapit sa inyo na may mga blah, 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 ganon. Eto, maganda na to siya kasi may kasama na siyang sponge. And, for me, based on my experience on using this, maganda talaga yung application niya and it's so good. Okay, next, I'm gonna use a contour. Hala, natanggal yung lalagyan. Nawala yung niya, oh no. But it's okay. I'm only gonna use a little bit on this one because look at that. As in, unti lang. Hindi ko alam if pantay Pero bahala na si Batman. Okay. Ano oras na? So, time check, it's 6:50. Okay. So, I'm done with that. Oh my gosh. So, I'm done with that na rin. So, now, let's move on to highlighter. Ang ganda nito kasi may kasama na siyang highlighter. Pero ito, di ko alam kung saan ko na ito nabili. Nakalimutan ko na. Like, I forgot. Okay. Ganun. Okay, now next is... Char, hindi pa to. Guess what happened to this? Kahapon, I was just like... Di ba mag-retouch ako? Pag ganun ko. Nagulat ako nun. Sabi ko, ba't nasira?
괜찮아. 괜찮아요. 괜찮아. 괜찮아. 괜찮아.
Nalungkot talaga ako nun. Sabi ko, ba't siya nasira? Wala pang isang taon ko to hindi nagagamit. Nasira na siya. I don't know what happened. Wala yung hair ko. Wait lang. Tumataas siya bigla. Day! Tama, mamaya sa school. Sira na naman tong buhok ko doon dahil sa school air. Dead is naman sa school air. Basta yun yung ano guys, sa mga hindi nakakaalam. Like yung parang na ano na ng init yung face tuloy yung hair mo. Parang ganon. And now I'm gonna add unting blush. 1, 2, pak pak. You have to look natural. 1, 2, pak pak. One, two, pak pak. Pak pak. Pak pak. Okay. Since I'm done with that, now let's move on to eto na naman tayo. Char. Yung under eyes ko, di ko nilalagyan ng mascara. Okay, perfect. stay stale. Hindi pa ako tapos. And then it has this little brush. Wait lang, may nagano sa ano ko. Ma-adjust na lang din mamaya. Now, I'm gonna... Oh, mali. Inabuksan ko. But, yeah. This one is Vice Cosmetics. Ito, bigay naman to ng tita ko. Then I'm gonna use a little bit of this. Then I'm gonna use this BLK gloss strip. Kunti lang din. Perfect. Ay, ganun. Clock it. Okay, wait. I'm gonna clean this up first and then I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. So, yeah. That's all of my get ready with me. I forgot to say that. But, anyways. We're gonna go to school. I need to show you my uniform. Like, my... OOTD. Wait. Now we're gonna go to school. Yeah, okay. Wait, I have to do another transition for this. Okay, so... Wait lang.
One eternity later.
Okay, hello y'all. So, yeah. Many stuff happened today. Like, I couldn't feel much because sadly, nalobat phone ko and di ko pa nadala yung charger ko. So, hindi ako naka-video ng masyado. O, dahil nalobat ako. Like, nalobat talaga. Pero, bukas hindi na yan. Promise. Dami kong promise. Pero yeah, hindi ko nagagawin. Hindi ko talaga nadala charger ko nun. Kaya, maikli na naman ng vlog na to. For sure. And yeah, nothing much happened. I mean, may mga nangyari, pero activity lang. Kineme-geme, tas ganon. And yeah. And so far, that's all. I have nothing else to say then. And yeah, thank you all for watching. And I hope to see you in my new vlog tomorrow. So yeah, thank you for watching. Bye bye.